Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's choose this earth texture, drag and drop into composition, and go to Effects presets, search Effect CC Sphere, and choose CC Sphere, use for texture, and open light settings. Let's change light intensity and shading, change ambient like this, and again light intensity. Okay, that's good. So in this time, go to radius and change scale and move to down, change scale more. Okay, and let's create background. Right click, new and solid layer, add name background. Okay, move to behind of texture, go to Effects presets, search Effect for, and use for color gradient, use for solid layer, and go to color 1, choose color blue, and click OK. Point 2, let's open and use light blue like this, and color 3, let's use again this dark blue, and color 4, use color 2, and we can change these points like this for better quality, and change blend like this. Okay, and jitter. Okay, so in this time, let's go to write text. Let's write motion design starts here. And clicization tool. Let's move to center, enable title action save, and for move to anchor point center, hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon, and go to window, enable align, and go to align. Click this icon for move to center text. So go to Effects presets, search Effect glow, and use glow for earth texture, and change settings like this. Okay, not bad. And choose this earth texture, go to CC Sphere rotation. Let's open rotation, and I will rotate for y-axis. Let's create rotation y, and choose texture, press U for C keyframes, and go to, for example, 10 seconds. Let's write here 3. Let's see. Okay, this very speedily. Let's choose this keyframe move to right for 20 seconds. Nice. And change quality quarter for now, and choose texture, press P, and let's move to down. And also text. Let's move to center like this, go to align, click this icon for move to down, and for text animation, I will use Animation Composer 3. If you have not Animation Composer, I will add a link on the description below. You can check out now. Go to Window, open Animation Composer, and choose Text Presets, and we can see samples here. Okay, I like this overshot style. Let's choose and click in. And close window. Let's see. Okay, so in this time, choose these 3 layers and click for turn on 3D layers. And let's create new camera tool. Go to new and camera. And I will use 2 nodes camera. And presets 50 millimeters. Click OK. And for control camera movements, let's create null object. Right click, go to camera and create orbit null. And for move the anchor point to center of null, hold Ctrl, again go to double click this icon. And clicization tool. So choose null, press P, and let's timing. Okay, now let's create new passing keyframe and go to 5 keyframes, and let's zoom to here and move to focus this start here text, and select this background layer. Let's press S, open scale, and change scale for full screen. Let's see. Okay, choose these keyframes and make it easy. Go to graph editor. Let's zoom to graph and make smooth graph animation and preview animation. Okay, let's choose this first keyframe, move to left, and this move to right. Nice. And now choose this earth texture and let's move to here. And go to FX control, change radius value like this and move to center. And choose this texture. Let's move to here. Okay, and press P. Let's create new passing keyframe. Move to right and go to here and move to right for hide this element. And make it keyframes easy. Go to graph editor. Let's zoom to graph and choose this first keyframe. Let's move to right and select these keyframes, move to left and let's timing. Okay, we can move to left a little bit for better timing and select last keyframe, move to left and preview animation. Nice. And right now let's press U for C keyframes and go to here. Let's select this rotation Y keyframe, move to here and change rotation like this for C first this part and move to left. Let's see. Let's move to right here. This keyframe again, change like this and move to back. Nice. Now we can see these green grounds. So in this time, choose this null object and go to 5 keyframes and let's move to center this earth and move to back a little bit for fit to center. And we can move to left a little bit more. Okay, and preview animation. So in this time, choose these keyframes, go to graph editor and let's zoom to graph and choose this middle keyframe and move to right. And right click, go to keyframe velocity. Let's enable continual lock and here 35. Click OK and preview animation. Nice. Now we can see here not any still movements, just smooth transition. So let's choose this text and double click, choose this start here and go to color. Let's choose here yellow, click OK. And also we can choose here bold. Okay, that's good. Back to keyframes and let's see. Nice. And in this time, choose this text and press T. Go to here. Let's create opacity keyframe and go to here, change opacity 0 and make the keyframes easy. Go to graph editor. Let's create a little bit fast graph. Nice. Back to keyframes and again we have problem with this background layer. Choose background, go to FS presses, search effect CC repeat tile and use CC repeat tile for background layer and change expand right and repeat. Let's choose here H. Nice. And now we have endless background texture. That's perfect. So in this time, let's go to shape layers, hold this icon and choose rendered rectangle tool and let's create one rectangle shape layer and colorization tool. Let's go to properties and change redness for more smooth. Okay, and go to FS presses. Let's search fast blur and choose fast box blur. Use for shape layer 1 and blur radius 10. Now let's go to here, just click this icon. If you not see this part, you can click toggle switch modes and let's click here. Now we have gloss texture. That's perfect. And we can change these settings for high gloss. Okay. So in this time, let's go to FS presses, search FX sweep light and choose CC light sweep, use for shape layer. And let's zoom to here and change direction -90. And let's see. Okay, and intensity, let's change intensity a little bit like this and let's choose this CC light sweep, Control D for duplicate and move it down like this. So in this time, let's change name search bar and go to properties, size. Let's turn off this size icon and let's move to right this layer. And now let's change size 0 and create size keyframe and go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut, you can press hold shift, press page down keyboard and change size like this. Again, go to 10 keyframes, change size to here, and we can follow these two lines for better bounce animation. Again, 10 keyframe, change to the center. Again, 10 keyframe, change here. Again, 10 keyframe, go to back, and make it keyframes easy. And choose work area, preview animation. Nice, and let's click this icon for turn on 3D layer and press P, move to back and move to center. Okay, and this time move to left this shape layer. Okay, let's preview animation. Okay, that's good. And let's go to text. Right here, Nijat Ibrahimli. This is my YouTube channel name, and let's put inside the search button, color white, and go to FX Preset, search effect drop shadow. Choose drop shadow, use for text layer. And let's go to full quality and change shadow settings. Okay, not bad. And back to quarter. Now let's go to again window, animation comes here. I will use again text presets. Choose text preset folder and let's choose text animation. And let's use ease fit and in. Let's close window. Okay, and move to right this text. Okay, that's good. So guys, thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.